Meaning of hairpin bend.
Hairpin bend.
Hairpin bend.
Hairpin bend.
Hairpin bend. A hairpin bend is a sharp turn on a road that resembles the hairpin shape of a sewing pin. These bends are usually found on mountainous or hilly roads and can be dangerous if not approached with caution. Hairpin bends require a significant reduction in speed to ensure safe passage. Drivers must use their brakes effectively, downshift gears, and steer carefully to navigate hairpin bends safely. The term hairpin accurately describes the shape of these turns, which are often accompanied by breathtaking views in challenging driving conditions.